Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and a terminal open. Now take 2 quick checks. First, verify which Python command your shell uses so you call the right interpreter. Second, stop any running REPL or script by pressing Ctrl+C or Ctrl+Z. Make sure work is saved. Once done, identify your shell type because clear commands differ. I'll show the exact commands next, so make sure you can run simple commands and that you're not inside an unsaved program anymore. Now you execute the clearing commands appropriate to your environment. In Unix-like shells, type clear or press Ctrl+L to refresh the view. This only scrolls, it doesn't delete history. On Windows, use CLS in CMD, EXE or clearhost in PowerShell. Both visually reset the terminal. If you're inside the Python REPL, run import OS and then OS. System clear or OS. System CLS depending on OS. Once that runs, your terminal looks clean, and you can, to finish, pick the method that matches your workflow and make it a habit. A short alias like alias C = clear speeds things up. If the terminal doesn't clear visually, try printing many new lines as a fallback or adjust your terminal's scrollback and buffer settings to remove history. If the clear command fails, check that the command exists in path and that you have permission to run system calls. If you still see issues, restart the terminal session to reset the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.